Okay, so I'm doing a before detailing washing video of my 1998 Toyota Corolla automatic transmission. I've had this vehicle for 16 years now. It has 275,000 miles, I think, on it, something like that. So anyway, I just want to do a before, what this looks like before I waxed it, washed it, and then all the detailing. Pretty much I will wash it once every 3 months, 3 times a year. Wax it just once a year. February, it's like it's typical month to wax. Being it's February, I figured, oh, gotta wax her. This Corolla has lived pretty much undercover in some shape or fashion, either under a car cover, under a carport, or in a garage. It has seen extensive weather, from salt and rust, and well, actually no rust on this vehicle, but it's seen Michigan weather all the way down to here in Florida weather and everything in between, and it's still going strong, very strong. And I think the body has held out well. I'll do touch-up paint on it from the little factory bottle, little touch-up things you can get from Napa that matches the color on it. That's the bumper. But this, again, this is the before video. Okay, there's just one more shot around. This is what it, I don't know if the sun glare, you can see what it looks like up top here. Yep. And inside, take you a look inside here. This is the, yeah, I got the original mats on these things still. So I'll be taking a carpet vacuum washing system that I've owned when I do shampooing of rugs, and I'll be using the upholstery function cleaner on these dingy seats that get spot cleaned every so often. Well, I'm going to do a full interior wash with the upholstery. So this is the before. That's the front seat area. Back seats. I do have a little dog, a pug to be exact, that runs around in here. Runs around free and wild. But I like that. She likes it too. So this is what she looks. This is her area she roams around in. Yeah. Back seats look good. Yeah, I think not bad. What, for a 23-year-old vehicle? Had that replaced. The top there, placed about maybe 10 years ago. See what else? Had some. I do touch up little paint here on from the factory, little paint that I have on these areas. All right, let's take a peek on the other side. Yeah, original rims. Not that you care, but hey, that's what they've looked like held up. Original factory rims. I could probably spiff them up as well. Alright, so let's go on the inside. Ah, look at that. 276,445 miles on this going strong vehicle. I'll give her a start up. Hopefully you can hear that. That's what the vehicle currently sounds like running. Yeah, so anyway, this is the before, folks. This is the before video of what you're gonna get. I'll come back through and do an after shot with it washed and detailed, and then with the upholstery detailed as well, with my carpet vacuum upholstery cleaner. Alrighty, easy does it, and have an Ablecraft day.